In this video, I will walk you through my AI project built in Altair AI Studio. The goal of our project is to predict DC power generated by solar panel systems using linear regression. We will see how raw data from a solar dataset is processed, trained, and used to make an accurate predictions step by step. Reading the data. We begin with reading CSV operator. This operator imports a solar data set which contains the features like DC power, AC power, irradiation and model temperature. The data set serves the foundation for our machine learning workflow. And then select attribute. Next, we use the select attribute operator for predictions, removing unnecessary ones to reduce noise. This ensures the model focus only on the meaningful inputs like temperature, irradiation, etc. And here comes the filter example. After selecting this attribute, it removes any invalid or missing entities so that our model learns only from consistent high quality data. Even the best models can perform on poor data, so we use filtered data set for mandatory. And then it's an extra added feature like numerical to binomial. This operator is very crucial here because this converts numerical data into a binomial form when needed. For example, to distinguish between high and low DC power ranges, I used this here. Setting the role. The setting role operator. The set role operator define which column is our target variable. In this project, we set the role of DC power as the label, meaning this model will try to predict the DC power output of the data set. Then we use the split data set into two parts, training and testing. This training data teaches the model how to predict, while the testing data checks how well it performs on unseen data. Usually we use around 70% of data for training and 30% of testing. That same ratio is used here as well. Here comes the core project, linear regression. This algorithm finds a mathematical relationship between input features like DC power. It essentially fits a line through a data point that best represents how power output depends on factors like irradiations and temperatures. And final important thing, apply model. The next apply model operator, we use trained regression model to predict DC power from new data. Finally, the performance operator. It measures how well the model performs. Like we use the metrics like accuracy to measure its performance values. And here comes the conclusion. So that's the complete workflow from reading the data set to building, training and evaluating this linear regression model. This project demonstrates how we use the Altair AI Studio for practical machine learning applications. Like we used this for renewable energy prediction purposes. Thank you.